Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Grok Imagine. Basically, I'm going to use text to create videos or images. So let's get right into it because I'm super excited to show you this. Once inside Grok, click Imagine on the left hand side. And on the bottom here, you have this option where you can easily take text to create images or videos. So how does it work? I'm going to go ahead and use a simple prompt. I'm going to just say Ferrari driving in heavy rain. And once I put the text right here, guys, you will see that I can switch between video or image right here. And I can also change the aspect ratio. I'm going to switch the aspect ratio right here. And I'm going to just generate a video. So all I have to do is just simply click this arrow right here within black, and it's going to generate a video of a Ferrari driving in Everin. Grok Imagine is really cool, guys. I've tested it multiple times, and I must say that it is really good. So you're going to see that how quickly it's going to generate a 6-second video of a Ferrari driving, and you can test whatever it is. And the cool thing I like is that not only you can use text to video, but you can also use text to image, or you can even upload your own image and create videos from that. Now have a look at that, guys. Look at this Ferrari driving Everin. How super cool is that? And that's it, guys. That's how you can easily go ahead and take your text and create videos. So whatever you imagine, you can create videos by using Grok Imagine. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a like, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button.